Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Raya. So today I want to share with you what I got from FARFETCH. I have never actually ordered anything from FARFETCH before. So the reason why I actually ordered from FARFETCH is because they had 10% off if you register. So I haven't got a discount code for you guys or anything like that, but I think if you just go on it and register, like it will normally say new members 10% off, and you can normally use that. So I wouldn't be able to give you that code, but I would definitely recommend doing that because that's what I did. So without rambling on too much, I'm just going to show you what I got. So normally with FARFETCH, I think they have, from what I've seen online, is that they have a little flag to tell you where the item came from, or the boutique, whatever. This doesn't have anything. This is literally how it came. I can't tell you how disappointed I was to find out that the item that I picked up came without the box and just like in a dust bag. I thought that was really sad, and that is full price. I can basically just order it directly from the brand and get the whole box. And the only thing that I would say with that is sometimes, like when I've ordered from Louis Vuitton before, it came without any of the tissue paper, and it only came in the box, in a box like this, and didn't come with a shopping bag. I had to go to Harrods and ask them to, whilst they readjusted my bag, but it didn't come with a shopping bag. Long story short, he gave me 3 shopping bags. So anyways, comes in this little satin-esque polyester bag. And it is a little something that I got from Chloe. I don't even think you can, with Chloe, you can't actually see, I don't know if it's in focus, but you never like properly see like the dust bags. But I'm not too fussed because I've got a few dust bags from the boots that I've got. But this is the bag. Now this is a mini size. It does come in a small size, and I did contact Bicester Village to see if they had the mini, but they had the small, which actually is a little bit cheaper having a look than this size. But the reason why, now looking at this and the small, you could probably go for the small, but I'm quite petite. I have back issues, like honestly I'm like a 61-year-old person. This is a good size for me. It's not like too heavy, and plus I won't fill it up with stuff. It will literally just be my phone, my car keys, my house phone, and my card holder, and a bit of money, and that is it. I don't really carry around makeup. Probably if I'm going to be out for the whole day, then maybe a lipstick and blotting sheets, but on that I never carry makeup with me. So anyways, it has the C here, it has Chloe embossed, and it has like a suede fabric here, and the back, it would be nice if it had like a little pouch pocket, but I guess it's too small for that. This is a nice handle. Now I believe in the small size you can detach the handle, so you can just wear it like this, and this is what I thought this came with, but this is attached and you can't detach it, and I think that's a real shame because I would love to wear this just like on its own without this. So I think, I'm not too sure if I'm going to return it yet. I think because it didn't come with a box, I will return it and buy it from somewhere else, because I know that sounds like so diva-ish, but I can't believe it doesn't come with a box. I just feel like if I wanted to sell it or give it away, it doesn't have a box, and especially like if I want to store it away and maybe like pile it on top of a few other boxes, I don't feel like I can do that, which I find really sad, because you're paying a lot of money for a bag. And I do think that you should, you know, it's not even like a 50% discount, it's a tiny eeny weeny amount. So I really do feel like it should have come with one, so I was really sad about that. So anyways, this is the inside. Here it says Chloe. It does have a sticker on, but I think I personally would leave that because you can't see that protection sticker. So that would be, rather than like a brushed brass looking, it would be polished. But honestly, things like this tend to scratch. My Louis Vuitton one is completely tarnished. So I would say if you can, keep it on. I really like the hardware here. I mean, look at this hardware. It feels really like nice quality, really solid. I'll just take this off so you guys can see. And I'll take this tissue out. These are the like little tags that it comes with. Made in Italy, Chloe mini bags. It says bags. And it has a FARFETCH label here. So, and inside it has the authenticity card. I think I might have a look at it actually. Normally I don't really bother because I haven't done like a proper unboxing. I should have done it with my Louis Vuitton, but I feel I might do it in another video for you guys actually. But I just feel because I've already used it, it would be a bit like funny for me to do an unboxing. I mean, I felt funny doing this, doing an unboxing without a box. I mean, that's the first thing that came to my head when I opened it. I just felt this box and something moving around. I just thought, how? I didn't understand why something was moving so much in there. Realised it didn't come in the box. I was like, how am I going to do an unboxing minus box? I just think when you're paying, like, I know I keep saying this, but I just feel like when you're buying a designer handbag, it's not just the product, it's the full experience. The experience also includes packaging, so I just feel like that's really important to have. So fine, I mean, I ordered from Net-a-Porter last time and the box was kind of really beaten up. I did call the customer service and I said, do you not have another box or something else? And they were really helpful and they changed it and I got a box. Fair enough, a little bit beat up, but it wasn't bad. So I really like that with Net-a-Porter. It literally came the next day. With FARFETCH, the customer service lady was really nice on the phone and she was like, I understand, and she will contact the boutique and see if they have any boxes that they can send you, and if not, I will come back to you. And she did. She came back to me in a couple of days. She actually emailed me right away to say what she was going to do, and then she came back to me in 2 days to say, sorry, the boutique came back and said they don't have any boxes they could offer me. So okay, so I did say I would be arranging a refund if I wasn't able to get my hands on a box. I know that sounds really stupid and loads of you are probably gonna like roll your eyes back and just think, get over yourself. But again, if I was to sell this, no one's gonna want to buy it without box. Do you know what I mean? So that is the main thing, and especially for storage. So yeah, that was my like big thing. So in here it says Chloe, and it says, I think it says made in Italy. I don't know if you guys can see. Made in Italy. It looks like this. And it has a little card holder here. I'm just going to put a few things in here so you guys can have an idea. I don't know whether I should wait to do this on something else, but I'll just do it whilst I've got it up for you guys. I don't know when I'm going to get around to doing it. It also says Chloe embossed here. And I think what I like with Chloe bags is that okay, I know I've got a big C here, but they're quite understated, and I really wanted a bag, like a nice premium bag that wasn't too, like I wanted something quite understated that I could wear for like every day and not feel like, sometimes say like if I'm going to Aldi or something, going to do a food shop, I don't want to rock up with like a Louis Vuitton handbag, even though I have before. I don't really, do you know what I mean? Like I just feel like it's a bit overdressed. The canvas one is fine, that's quite casual, but it's just, do you know what I mean? So I just feel like this is definitely something that I can wear every day. It's quite small. I'm going to put a few bits in here. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my body as well. But you may very well would have seen it in one of my last videos, because I had to like show you guys because I'm filming this on the same day. Right, I've got a cup of coffee here, which I think I should probably move, but I've got a few bits in. So even though it's a small bag, I would definitely, I don't know whether I should put things, I probably shouldn't put things in here if I'm going to return this one and get something else. So maybe I should show you in another video, but let me just put something in here that won't cause any damage or anything like that. Got my Cartier card holder. This I would put in. I have got my phone. This is just the 8. It's not a plus. I do need to get a new phone. I was a bit worried about getting a new phone in case it doesn't fit in certain bags, but I don't want anything too big. I hate really big phones. I'm going to be very careful with this. So that's what it looks like so far. So you can still see a bit of room in there. I'm going to put my key. Put that in there. Got my house keys in here, so I'll just put that in the corner so it doesn't scratch anything. Hand sanitizer. I really like this, by the way. This is purple. It's a spray and it doesn't sting or burn my hands, especially if you've got like eczema on your hands. I might put this in last. I've got a mask. Normally I'll put it in my pocket, in jacket pocket if I'm going out, so I'll put that in there. Hairband, I don't really carry them like with me. I'll put it on my wrist or have it in my car. I don't really go anywhere without my car. So then sunglasses, just like my sunglasses. So basically I have filled it up to the brim. and it closes fine. It's not really like, nothing's really like sticking out, and then it just is a clasp like that, so it sits like this. So in a way I feel like I should have got that small size because I would be able to hold it like that, but this, like, I'm not gonna lie, all of this now does feel a bit heavy, so I'm gonna be very careful and take glasses I will wear, hand sanitizer is normally something I would keep, mask, a hairband, so yeah, this is, I mean, it definitely feels heavy now I've got something in it. I didn't realize that it would feel that heavy, but it does come with a few loops, so you can adjust the height. I've put this on and this feels like good for me. This is what it looks like on my body. For reference, I am 5 foot. So for reference, I am 5 foot, and this is what it looks like on my body. It comes just like up to literally this part of my pocket, which for me is fine. It's very cute. That is how it comes up to. I'm gonna wear it on the shoulder. Then all bags like come like this length is not like my type of length, but this is the length that it will come up to, and I'm not too like fussed. The reason I say that is because all bags are like that. I think I do have my eye on, I don't think I'm gonna get Chanel anytime soon, but I do have my eye on a YSL bag where it has a chain, so you can double up and wear it like that. So that's more of a dressier bag, but for now I don't feel like I need anything that dressy. So I guess you could say that this bag is actually like does have a bit of weight to it. I wanted something small to put around, but I do like this. I do feel it's very classy. I just kind of wish that these were detachable so I could wear it on its own. But really, I don't always wear like a top handle unless I'm going out for security reasons. Anyone can just like snap your bag and go. So I'd only really wear it if I don't know, if I'm going somewhere that's quite dressy, then that's when I would only keep to a top bag. But I feel like this, like, you can still wear it in the evening, but I would probably choose something else for an evening look. I hope that gave you a good idea of what the bag is like, of what to expect if you are buying it from somewhere like FARFETCH or even Net-a-Porter or any of these online retailers that stock luxury items. Some of the time, or most of the time, it will come with everything. I have had, just in my experience, and that is just not very often because I haven't shopped in these places all that often, especially FARFETCH is my first time. I'm sure other items that they probably will probably be nicely boxed up and ready to go. So yeah, I just hope it gives you guys a good idea, and of course you can return all items within 14 days to get your money back. Of course you have to keep the labels and tags on and things like that, and obviously not wear it, but I don't think you can wear it without taking a label off because you can obviously see the label. So yeah, anyways, I hope it gives you a good idea. I will show you guys once I have got my replacement, which I will get from somewhere else, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.